Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's JSB6803 Productions. Been a while since I posted. This video is going to be an unboxing of a drone that I recently purchased. It's a Yuneec Typhoon H. H is the hexacopter. It's a great drone. I really struggled between whether or not to get some of the other more popular ones, but I'm glad I made this purchase. It's a nice drone, but I'll tell you what. So we're going to make a couple different videos, but this is going to be just the unboxing. Couple quick notes about the unboxing. I'm using this video camera for the very first time in part of the unboxing, and I didn't really have the settings optimized for interior low light conditions, so it's a little dark. Apologize for that, and it's grainy, I think, because of that. I apologize for that, but I think it's good enough to at least get across what we're trying to do, which is just show you what's in the box of a Yuneec Typhoon H. Alright, we'll come back to you after this and just wrap it up. Alright, so let's unbox the Yuneec Typhoon H drone. Looks like it just comes as one big backpack. And nothing else in the box. That's kind of convenient packaging. Alright. Sorry about the plastic noise there. Let's turn it so you can see the cardboard wrapping around it. It's kind of a little advertisement, I guess, for it. Pull that off. And now you've got the backpack. Nice, good, good. Feels like pretty durable material. Let's check it out. I'm going to set her down here, see what's in it. All right, let's make sure we're at a good angle here. Okay, lots of stuff right off the bat. We'll get into the boxes a little bit later. I'll take that content out. Got a battery charger, and again, this looks like your propellers. I assume both your main ones and your spares. This just says accessory box, so we'll open that just a little bit here once I clear the bulk of this off. Here's the sunshade, another battery, so dual battery. I don't remember exactly what it's called. I apologize for that. The wizard button, that's what it is, or the little wizard remote. So that's a pretty cool thing. Here's the control station. And out comes the drone itself. And does not look like anything else is in here. So what I'm going to do is pause for a minute. I'll get this closed up. I'll get the camera repositioned so that we can show you the detail of what's in there and what's in the boxed items as well. Okay, we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got everything kind of laid out here, and I've repositioned the camera for a little better view. So in this box came the charger adapter, and then the power plug for that, and then also a car DC, basically to go in your cigarette lighter port. In this other small box that I pulled out earlier was a SanDisk, and then looks like a USB cable. And then the other box, which I had stated had the props in it. There's 6 for getting her going, and then there's 4 spares underneath that white cover as well. Again, this is just a simple unboxing. I don't think I'm really going to go any further other than maybe a first impressions type video after this. It is my first drone, so that may at least lend some help to anybody that's considering a drone, or considering the Typhoon H as their first drone. But alright, so I'm going to get into the instructions here and then start getting it set up, do any firmware updates I need to do, and get some batteries charging. I think pretty soon we'll have a first flight, maybe tomorrow if I get home from work and there's still good daylight out. So, all right, thanks. Okay, just a little add-on to the video. I just wanted to point out 2 things that I missed when I went through the contents. I did not see this zipper kind of tucked underneath here. I suspected there was a pocket there, but I didn't see the zipper. So there is a pocket here, and the inside appears to be at least somewhat of a welcome kit, user guide, and I'm sure warranty and all that paperwork too. Let me quick pull it out here. Just validate that. So we have, small user manual. Quick start guide, and some notice for flying on a boat, and switching between single mode and team mode. Just some more information on how to do that. Box contents, so that you can at least validate that everything's there. And a quick scan shows me yes it is. And some additional information on the back. And it just also reminds you that your micro SD card contains a video tutorial on how to operate your aircraft safely, as well as product videos to illustrate the superior quality of the CG03 Plus camera. And there's also a frequently asked questions section on their website at yuneec.com/support. And looks like they also have some Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram sites if you want to follow along in that method as well. Looks like some flight warning, do not do things. LED status indications. Looks like a whole lot of information to try to figure out, so I'll have to study that one. Obstacle avoidance limitations, and basically a 1-year warranty satisfaction guarantee card. That's great. And the nice thing about that is, looks like you can register your product with just a quick scan. Fantastic. And know before you fly. Just some different rules, and don't know which ones are guidance or rules, but we're looking at that. One other thing I forgot to point out, there is another antenna piece. I'm sorry, out of frame there. There is another antenna piece that came in the larger box with the charger cables. I forgot to mention it. So I don't 100% at this point know what that's for. So once I read, you know, hopefully it'll come clear. But I just forgot to mention that that also came in the box. So, all right, we'll wrap it up. Thanks. Okay, so that's the unboxing. The only really thing that I think I should probably let you know is depending on the model you get, it can be completely different as far as, not completely different, but there can be some of the extras that are included in one version that aren't included in another. Like the one thing that I really am missing, I wish I had, is the neck lanyard for the remote. But other than that, the unboxing, I think, but well, what we're going to do next video is we're going to do a first flight, which should include a calibration in there. I don't think I'll break that out as a separate video. I'll just do it the same. Furnace is kicking on, so I'm going to end this video right now. Thanks.